FrameMaker 2019 New Features. Updated libraries and dictionaries. Not everything about a new release is a shiny new feature. Some improvements just make everything else work a little better. In FrameMaker 2019, we've updated a whole series of Adobe resource libraries. Everything from the PDF Software Developers Kit to SVG importing to XMP metadata. And not all the libraries were Adobe technologies. We've updated to the latest libraries for things like Xerxes for XML parsing, libSSL for better SSL and TLS security, and Google's Zebra Crossing for QR codes and barcode scanning. Along with all that, and perhaps best of all for FrameMaker's German users, Adobe now supports the Duden dictionary for the German language. The Duden is perhaps the key German language resource, and now fully supported in FrameMaker 2019 for Austrian, German, and Swiss users. As you can see, we've kept the old dictionaries in case you need them. But the German dictionaries for Austria, Germany, and Switzerland are all set to Duden. For a personalized demo or questions, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.